Let's go to one movie. This is what I say when I come to me. I see this movie coming out, now I wanna go see it. There's nothing on the sky that I wanna throw it. Place is going crazy. Weather blowing up and explosions. Movies popping out. You just wanna see it now and holler. Come now, don't think it's thing. That only you just wanna be. Come now and sing it next to me. In front of any style now. This is what you wanna see. A crazy horror agony. This is the beat inside of me. You just wanna be next to me. You wanna see this crazy movie, but you're afraid to spend $8.50 at a movie theater, but it's okay. See a movie you really wanna see. It's a beat, it's a crazy thing that you just wanna see. It's time you just wanna be out of there. Like a crazy people are always saying. I just feel paid to see for this lane I see. But I don't really care because this is the dream. I see all these videos, they be coming out now. They want to shout out like you know when I come in there. There's a crazy future now in the movie theater that I really want to see, but I don't really need to. I just want to see it now because it is so explosive, coming to life in this house. There's no way. There's only a thing you truly see. There's a place out there called the movie theater. This is the dream.